Hi, good morning, my loves. How are you doing? It's been a minute. I've missed you all. I hope you're doing well. So I'm leaving home. It's around 1:30. It's on a Saturday afternoon, and I want to go to Stage Market. I'm going to look for artificial flowers and general flowers and what is it called, and the artificial grass that normally put on balconies. And if I'll have time, I'll also go to Kamukunji, but I'm not sure. But I want to start with State Market. Then I can go to, if I'll not be able to go to Kamukunji, I can vlog that some other day. So that's about it for today, guys. So I'm leaving home right now. So I want to go and take a matatu, get to town. Then from town, I take what are they called? A tuk-tuk to OTC. Then from OTC, I walk to Stage Market because Stage Market is along Marikiti. It's actually just directly opposite Marikiti using the Jogo route. Yeah, so that's about it for today, guys. Let's go. How much are these?
1500. 1500. Ile iko na mingi kama India 2000. Ile iko mwisho ni 3500.
But hii ni 1500 pamoja na hiyo.
Yeah. Hii
na hizi this one
2500 na kama hii 1500.
Hii ya 25 ni stem peke yake.
Inajisimamisha. Banana. Banana.
7,500.
Yes.
Jesu. Kwani nilipotea vitu zikapanda bei? Na hizi
Hizi.
aka.
So, hizi za 150. 350. Alafu 500. 500 ni zile.
Peke yake.
Yes.